Morning, YouTube. It's Tuesday, July to not sure what day it is. It's Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com. As you can see, this is the basement of this property. 2, 3. Probably a dozen spots or so in this one room, and then there's a couple spills over here in the media room, the theater. But as you know, with OMG Floor Care, there are no per spot fees, so all these spots are included. Also, there's a set of stairs. There's 3 rooms upstairs we're doing as well, but there's not really anything in there to see, so I just wanted to show you these spots down here. But yeah, there's easily, probably a dozen or so spots total in these 2 areas. So we'll get these done and see how good they come out. Alright guys, we just finished up this job without the spots on it. They all came out. Well, you can see from the discoloration right there, that was a really bad area, so that's still damp right now. All the little spots in here have been taken care of. So again, we like to reiterate with OMG Carpet Cleaning, there's no per spot fees, there's no upsells, no hidden charges, things of that nature. If you're charged more than what you're quoted, your carpet cleaning is free. omgfloorcare.com 404-500-9853. Thanks for watching and be kind.